you guys, I have been dying to show you what is inside this box. Just looks like a basic white box, right? Nice, slick. But there's something magical inside that you are going to die when you see. So if you follow me on Instagram at Love Sweat Fitness, you might have seen a little sneak peek of this, but it's here. And YouTube, you guys are the best, and you're gonna see everything first before anyone else gets to see it. So if you have followed me for a while, you might know that last year I launched my first ever physical planner, the 2019 #goals planner, and it sold out in 2 weeks. And I still got emails all year long of girls asking if it was coming back, if they'd be able to get one. And we dropped it and that was it. But since February of this year, so for 8 months, I've been working my booty off on creating the 2020 goals planner. And you guys are gonna die. It is so freaking amazing. It's bigger and better than last year's was. If you have last year's and you love it, you're going to freak out because it's even better. And if you don't have one yet, you're so lucky because this one is freaking amazing. Okay, so I have to show you the inside of the box because here's the thing. Setting goals and actually sticking to them can be really freaking hard. And I know 2020 is a little ways off, but you guys, it's gonna be here in a blink. So it is time to start thinking about our goals for next year, finishing this year strong. And I wanna make it really fun and really easy for you to do that. And I added some fun stuff to the planner too, I'll show you inside. But let's take the first peek inside the box because boom, it's so freaking adorable. Just the box itself, you are ready from moment one to be crushing all your goals. Hustle hard, dream big. That is what we're gonna do, Team LSF in 2020. Okay, now what's inside the box? Let's look at the planner. Oh, you guys, I'm dying. I'm gonna hide the other stuff for a second. First, I'm gonna give you these little cards inside your package too when you order. So pre-orders are starting. You can get them now, pre-order your planner and all the other little things I'll show you in a sec. Because they're gonna sell out. They sold out so fast last year, 2 weeks. You do not wanna wait. Get them for yourself, for your girlfriends, your friends. I'm just putting that out there now. But the first thing you get in your box is a cute little #goals list to tell you how to set your goals and a card where you can write your name and throw it in your planner so you have it all year to remember your big goal for the year. And here it is. Ready, ready, ready? Boom! This is the 2020 goals planner. I just love it. If you guys saw last year's, it was pink and really cute, but I wanted to do something that was a little more sleek and that everyone could get behind, just loving this rose gold and a little holographic cuteness. So rose gold binding, which is just beautiful. And then we have the rose gold strap so you can mark your place. If I get to it, right here. But the coolest thing about this planner, yes, it's pretty on the outside, you guys, it has everything you need. So this is not just a basic, let me put my to-dos for the week and mark them off kind of a planner. This has fitness, lifestyle, self-care. There are so many sections and resources in here just to help your entire life be organized, again, so you can just crush all your goals. There's so many fun things. So we added horoscopes, which was really fun. We have brand new stickers, even more of them in here. So 3 pages of stickers that are all for your fitness goals, travel, self-care, motivation, everything you can need. And they're so adorable. I absolutely love them. The cutest ever. Then in the beginning, you'll have your horoscopes for the year. So that was just something I thought would be really fun to add for you girls. You'll have your overall goals. So this is my strategy for building goals and setting goals and how to set realistic goals. So I'm giving you all of that in here and a place to write down your big goals for the year. Then all the fun holidays. I'll give you a peek at January. So you get beautiful artwork every single month to help just inspire you and keep you motivated. That's really fun. You'll get a month overview. And then each week, each month you'll have your month goals here. So again, you can set your big goals for the year and then you can break down a little bit more specific month by month, your macro goals and micro goals, which you'll totally understand once you get the planner and you see it all in there. A fun little note from me every single month. And then each week you'll have an area you can write down all your to-dos. You can put your workout goals, your water goals, your things you need to get done, just life inside here. And it's just really fun. There's little quotes and motivation throughout the entire thing just to keep you inspired all year long. And that's just the calendar, like February. That's just the calendar part of it. So that is awesome. It's inspirational throughout every single week, but there's so much more. So as you dig in the back, you'll find a little tab that says resources. And it says when you focus on the good gets better. And then there's more good things. And back here is where you're gonna find a night routine printable, a day, like morning routine. You have a self-care spinner, which is so freaking cool. So these are all your self-care ideas. All you do is like, whoop, okay, spin it. And then I'm like, hey, the arrow's pointing on, do some online shopping. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah, I'm all about that. What's the next one? This one, like, say no. Sometimes it's okay and necessary to say no to things. So it just gives you ideas for fun self-care stuff. There's a fit word search. There's just like a lot of fun little games, a bikini ab ladder, a busy week workout plan, so many incredible resources. There's a shopping, like grocery shopping list. There's new recipes, how to like lose weight, like weight loss tips, LSF tips for eating out. Everything you need, literally, to live a healthy, balanced, happy lifestyle, do all the things you want to do, get shit done for 2020 in the planner. And that's just in the planner. So you know how I said I really wanted to like just help you guys be even more organized. You know I came out with a Busy Babe guide this year for that very reason as well, like fitness, nutrition, self-care, finding ways to like stay focused and organized and make it fun. So I thought we had to add some stuff to the planner to do that too. So obviously we added stuff inside the planner, but we added a little extra cuteness on the outside, and I am freaking obsessed. So one, you're gonna get these real cute sticker packs. So you can order the planner just by itself, but if you're feeling a little extra or you're buying it for a gift, or you feel like treating yourself and you wanna get the whole bundle, there's some other stuff you can get too. So we have this really adorable little notebook where you can jot down all your notes. We have these sticker packs. So again, there's fitness, there's travel, there's self-care, and you get 9 sheets of stickers. You guys see these? They're freaking adorable. Ah! I'm obsessed with stickers, and like I have a lot in my planner. Obviously, you get the 3 sheets in there, but you get 9 more sheets. Like you could go like sticker crazy on your binders. Then we also have this real cute pencil pouch. It says "Leave Your Mark." Has a cute little icon on the back. And then we also have adorable erasers. So this one says "Oops," and mistakes are made. And just because obviously if you have erasers, you need to have something to write with. We have awesome pencils. So it's a pack of 5 pencils, and they say good things, hustle hard girl, #goals, progress not perfection, and love sweat fitness. So all of these little accessories to go along with your planner so that you are like prepped and ready to crush any dream, any goal, anything you are trying to achieve in 2020. We got your back. Like Team LSF is here for you. We have all the accessories for you. We have the planner for you. And literally we are here on Instagram, here on YouTube to support you in your goals every step of the way. And I'm not joking, like literally, I every single year would buy a planner and I'd be like really good about using it for a week or 2, and then it would just end up like somewhere. I've never used a planner consistently until the #goals planner. And it's not just because I created it, but I do think I created it in a way that makes it really fun to use. It makes it really easy to stay organized, and you like want to put all your stuff in there, because a lot of other planners don't have enough room, or there's not enough like categories of things for me, and then I have to have another folder with other stuff. Like everything is in one place to make it so easy, way more fun, and all this stuff is cute AF, so you're just gonna like want to be using it all the time, which I know I love. Like I've been sneaking and using the pencils and the erasers and stuff, and it's so hard because of my stories all like have them, and I try to hide them so you guys haven't been able to see them yet, but now it's time. Now you've seen everything inside. We have the planner again, you can just get on its own, or you get the full bundle with all the desk accessories, have everything you need, and you guys can pre-order them right now. So I'll put all the links down below for you. Go grab them. If you think anyone, a girlfriend, a friend, mom, sister, like anyone's gonna want them, get them now. I'm not just saying this, they sold out in 2 weeks last year. So you're gonna wanna get them, order them, Christmas presents, all that fun stuff. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy I can finally show you. I've been dying, just waiting for the chance to like let you see it all. And to be honest, like last year when I created the planner, it was kind of selfish because I just wanted to have a planner that had everything I wanted in a planner because I found really cute ones, but they wouldn't have everything I needed in them. And I wanted to have somewhere where I could have like good like fitness tips and nutrition tips and self-care and like just have my whole life and all the things that were important to me in one spot. So it was a little bit selfish at first, but I also listened to you guys and the things that you want, and especially after last year's planner, the things that you loved and wanted more of. And so I did that, and it's all in this one, so I cannot wait for you guys to have it. So yeah, go get them. I can't wait for you guys to get them, get your hands on them. Make sure that you come and say hi on Instagram at LoveSweatFitness. And I just love you guys, and I'm so freaking excited for you to get these.